What's up everyone? In this video we're going to be taking a look at how to get rid of thatch. Thatch is this terrible brown dead grass, this straw-like substance that virtually covers your lawn after a long hard winter. I'm in the Midwest and this is what my lawn looks like when all that snow melts and the spring is coming up. So this is the machine that I use to essentially do this. It pulls up all this dead grass that's been kind of matted down, all this thatch. It obviously pulls up some of the live stuff too, but anyway, here's a look underneath the hood, so to speak. It's got these long metal spikes that essentially just spin around and comb and rake up all that dead thatch for you. This machine is tried and true. I've had it for 5 years or so. You can see the pins are a little rusted, but these are the original that came with it. I've never switched them out. And it works beautifully. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in picking yourself up this Dethatcher here. But this is essentially how it works. Super simple, kind of like a lawnmower. It doesn't have any automated gear, so you do have to kind of manually push it, but it's very lightweight, and you just essentially comb your lawn. You look like a damn fool to your neighbors, but look at all the thatch that's coming up. Yeah, again, you'll pick up some of the live grass as well, but that's not a concern. And my technique here, I'm just kind of raking it, or I'm kind of moving it back and forth as shown, and I'm just doing this over my whole lawn. And this is kind of what it looks like when I'm all finished. There's going to be clumps of brown stuff. Now there's no bag, unfortunately, to go with this particular model that I use. So what I do afterwards is just run over it with my lawnmower and bag it that way. So, and this is what I'm going to be doing in the spring anyway, right? Doing a really low cut lawn mow to get all that excess sediment from the winter up and off the lawn. Now if you do opt for this mowing method, definitely take your time. You want that air suction to kind of pull up as much as it can. You might have to go over some of the clumps a couple of times, so just a little tip there for you. But let's empty the bag and take a look at, let me show you how much thatch and dead stuff I got up. And this is just on one pass on one part of my yard. Again, obviously you see some green in there. It's not a perfect method here, but this is what it kind of does afterwards. You should have direct access to most of your soil. And of course, this provides your grass a better place to dig in and root and grow, and an overall healthier yard. So I do this every spring, and I also do it in the fall, by the way, so twice a year. I don't know if it shows, my lawn doesn't look very good right now, but it is early spring, so give it some time and it'll green up and thicken up quite well. Thank you so much, and I hope this video has been helpful.